place, pretty as pie.
Welcome to Patch of Heaven, where the animals aren't just animals, they're family.
Here, have an apple. Don't go near any luau's, though.
Walt Disney Pictures presents Home on the Range, featuring new music from the composer of The Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast, and songs performed by Katie Lang, Bonnie Raitt, and Tim McGraw.
Say, girls.
Got milk?
Well, if it isn't the Phony Express.
I'm sorry, Pearl.
They're gonna auction off Patch of Heaven.
It's Alameda Slim.
Just one more purchase and the whole dang territory belongs to me.
Luckily,
I got it.
they have a plan.
We go nab that Alameda Slim and use the reward money to save the farm. What is this, the frozen food section?
Where do you think you're going?
It's hero time.
You want to get nuts? Let's get nuts! Head for the hills!
Walt Disney Pictures presents
This town rocks.
Fuck, he must be taking stupid lessons from that buffalo.
Rico,
Sorry.
The Girls,
We don't eat meat. It's kind of like a professional courtesy.
and Alameda Slim.
I think these cows got it in for me.
You go, cowgirl.
In a story of courage,
They're stew meat.
teamwork,
Move on, bounty hunters. Now I've seen everything.
and utter madness.
Yeah, they're real. Quit staring.
Disney's Home on the Range.
Who put this here?